आ ही गया वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अवेटेड आईपीओ ओला इलेक्ट्रिक। ओला इलेक्ट्रिक सिर्फ अपनी ग्रोथ शोकेस नहीं कर रहा, बट इट्स हाईलाइटिंग द पोटेंशियल ऑफ द ईवी सेक्टर। इस कंपनी का फोकस है लेवरेज करना इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन ऑफ मोबिलिटी इन इंडिया, एक्सप्लोर करना एक्सपोर्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन सिलेक्ट इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स and reduce carbon emissions using environmentally friendly materials in vehicle production.
They are coming with an issue size of 6145.56 crores, including anchor investor portion, and is offering shares of Rs 72 to 76 each.
For capital expenditure for expansion of the capacity of their battery manufacturing plant, etc. If you're looking to invest in this IPO, then ये एक pure EV player है with a leadership position in the Indian two-wheeler markets. उनका R&D in-house है and technologically strong है. Scalable platform-based design plus development approach भी है. Company की execution capabilities amazing है. But don't forget the risk involved with this IPO, which are financial and operational, strategic and market challenges, legal, regulatory and environmental risk, along with brand reputation and market perception. So, are you interested in subscribing this IPO? Tell us in the comment section below. Thank you.